Hi everyone! If you're new, hi, my name is Sue, and if you're returning, welcome back. So this is actually part 11 of my summer Europe trip that I did back in May with my sister. In this video, we're in our last country. We are in Spain. But for this one day, we actually had a layover in Madrid. So we spent the day in Madrid by going on a walking tour, getting some dinner, and just walking around in the city and enjoying the atmosphere before heading over to our last city in Barcelona. So everything that we did, I wrote down in the description box below, so go check that out. If you have any questions and concerns, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, if you like what you see, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and share the word to all your traveler friends. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye! Alright, another early morning. Time to catch our flight to Spain. Whee! Leaving, depart. Yes! Alright guys, we're checking in our bag. I am exhausted. Whew. People in France do not know how to wait in line. They cut. They try to smudge. Alright, we're on board. I'm actually gonna knock out. So I'll see you when we arrive in Madrid. We're in Madrid. Wow! Alright, and we're taking the metro. We got the one-day pass. Since we're here for a while, our plane leaves at 8:25, so it's only 9 AM right now. Main station. Alright, so we just dropped off our bag and we are going to ¿Dónde? Walking tour. Alright, so we're waiting for the tour to start. So we came into called Banzi company and I got this set for $270, guys. Alright, we made it. Whee! We're at the Royal Palace behind the opera. We are.
Start bringing and make us deaf. This place is the Armory Square. This place is the most important square.
Bell's actually moving, guys. Wow. He's just chilling. That brings you good luck if you touch his butt.
Main reason why this whole neighborhood is known in Madrid as the Madrid de los Austrians. The Madrid of the Austrians, referring of course.
So we got some churros and some big churro with chocolate. So packed.
To complain about, no, it's my presidente thing. Here, also, or Brazil.
So this was the gazpacho, and she got the risotto. We're in England, and if you go with them on the tour, you get a free sangria. Cheers! Guys, this was cold tomato soup. Oh, on to our actual food. Look at that huge piece of chicken. And when we thought we were done, we got dessert. Panna cotta, green panna cotta. How is it? What does it taste like? And I got the phone. So cute. This is the H&M here, guys. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Like, guys, there's stained glass windows in here. So we're in the Gran Via in Madrid. Apparently this place is famous for shopping. What? We're back here because we wanted to take a picture. And there's a freaking koala. Alright, we picked up our bags and now we are ready to head to Barcelona. Woo-hoo. Staring right at me. But there, I found a map. Where do we go, Sarah? Point. Uh-huh. And I guess that's it. Alright. Last flight within Europe. And then we're heading back home. Barcelona, last city, last country. Here we come. Alright. Europa. Take us to Barcelona. And we arrived to Barcelona safe and sound. Now we're gonna head to our Airbnb and knock the hell out. So we just took the A1 and now we arrived at the city center. We're trying to go to our Airbnb. We made it. Look at our cute bed. And there's a fan. Hallelujah. Alright, let's get ready to sleep. It is currently 11:50. Look at that, guys. So many steps. I won't even focus. There we go. Alright, good night. Peace.